When a tarot reader claims you're about to be shocked by their karma, it's public humiliation. It is important to recognize the red flags. I have encountered many readers who targeted me in the past, engaging in the same behaviors, only to later realize that I was the person that they have been antagonizing for years, covertly. So today, someone posted a similar message, and I want you all to learn how to identify a false light worker, because spiritual warfare is rooted in deception. It's about twisting reality, turning evil into good and good into evil. So the ultimate goal of these dark practitioners is to destroy an innocent individual for personal gain while masquerading themselves as light or virtuous or good. So even the title of their message raises concern. So first, karma is solely in the hands of God, and no one truly knows what another person is experiencing. By making such claims, they are essentially playing God. So second, this isn't divine justice. It's a satanic humiliation ritual disguised as a message from God. So understand that shame is the lowest emotional vibration where demons feeds on. So they will be consistent with that shaming, embarrassment, and humiliation. Reflecting on my own experience, these individuals attempted to frame their readings as exposing evil, when in reality, they were spreading lies, reframing their false narratives to paint me as the villain who supposedly deserved punishment. So they wanted people to believe that my suffering was divine retribution, when in truth they were deliberately humiliating me with fabrications. And what they won't tell you is that their ultimate intention was to sacrifice me.